Welcome to Grow with Casey. Today, we're learning essential Microsoft Excel shortcut keys every beginner should know. If you would like to follow along, you can find the practice file in the description below. Now, let's begin. First, let's convert a list to a table in Excel. You'll select any cell inside of the list. Next, press Ctrl+T on your keyboard. A Create Table dialog box will appear, and Excel will place a moving dashed border around the selected data range. In the Where is the data for your table field, Excel will automatically display the cells it has selected, such as A1 to D14, which represents the entire dataset. Since our list has column headers, we will make sure the My Table Has Headers checkbox is selected. This tells Excel to use the first row as the table's header row. Next, select OK. Now, your list has been converted to a table. Next, let's find the sum and average of a column without using formulas. First, we'll select the column header. Clicking the column header highlights all the data in the column. If you look at the very bottom edge of your Excel window, you'll see the status bar. Here, you will find the average and sum of the highlighted column. To select the entire table in Excel, first click any cell inside the table. Next, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. Now, the data inside the table is highlighted. If you press Ctrl+A a second time, the column headers will be highlighted as well. To copy data in Excel, first select the data you want to copy. You can click and drag to highlight a specific area, or click inside your table and press Ctrl+A to select the entire table, as we learned in the previous slide. Once your data is selected, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the data. You will see a moving dashed line around the selected area, which means the data has been copied. Now that the data has been copied, select an empty area of the spreadsheet and press Ctrl+V to paste the data. To check for spelling errors in Excel, select any cell inside the table and press F7 on your keyboard. Excel will scan your selected data and highlight any words it thinks are misspelled. It will also give you suggestions so you can choose the correct spelling, ignore the word, or add it to your dictionary if it is correct. To access the Quick Analysis tool in Excel, first select any cell inside the table. Next, press Ctrl+Q on your keyboard. You'll notice now the table is highlighted and a Quick Analysis menu appears. From there, you can quickly add things like formatting, charts, totals, and more. And that's the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If so, please like and subscribe for more lessons, and I'll see you in the next video.